Hello everyone, Amanda here from Scrimpingmommy.co.uk. I'm just coming to announce a little bit of a change up for my kits for the month of May. Now normally I do sweet based Stampin' Up kits, but for the month of May I've already informed all of my regular customers that we're going to just have a little holiday from my Stampin' Selections kits, and instead we're going to have the Hugs from Sheila, which is the fantastic paper pumpkin. It's widely available in America. They have it over there on subscription. Over here in the UK, we've been begging for paper pumpkin just because we want to see what it's all about. And Stampin' Up have launched it in the UK and in some other markets as well, as a one-off. So we're not getting this all of the time, we're getting it as a one-off, and it's available on the 15th of May. Now demonstrators are allowed to cash and carry this, which means I can buy it and then sell it on after. So I have been taking lists of names, and this list is growing by the day. Lists of people who would like to purchase this kit from me. Now there's two ways you can buy this kit, and then I'll tell you what's in it. The first way is you can go onto my Stampin' Up website. All of the links are in the description box below and over on my blog at scrimpingmommy.co.uk, and you can purchase this for yourself over there. Perhaps you might want other things, and it will be £20 plus shipping, which Stampin' Up shipping is £4.95 set. However much you spend, it's £4.95. The second option is you can buy it from me. I am ordering it in cash and carry for some of my customers, and I will order them in bulk and then ship them out along with a thank you card. And the postage will be slightly cheaper. It will be the UK standard second class Royal Mail. However, that option will take slightly longer than ordering it direct from Stampin' Up, because I have to receive it and then repackage it and reship it. So if you would like to purchase this and you want me to order it, now the benefit of me ordering it is I'm going to order them in bulk. I'm going to get up super early on the 15th, probably in the middle of the night if I'm honest, to make sure that I get my hands on this kit for all of those people who have signed up, because it is going to fly out. It is going to be while stocks last, and trust me, everybody's wanting this. So what's in these? Well, you can see here, if I just zoom in, it comes in a beautiful box. I've never physically had a paper pumpkin. Okay, I've never physically had one. But if you've ever purchased a card making kit from Stampin' Up, there's lots and lots of pre-done card kits in the catalogue. It will be similar. So what you get inside is, first of all, you get an exclusive stamp set. So the stamp set that's in here is not available in the catalogue. It will never be available anywhere else. It's exclusive to this paper pumpkin kit. That will be a photopolymer stamp set, so you will need to have a clear block. There isn't a block inside the kit. The block that Stampin' Up suggest is a D block, so if you want the kit and you need a block, let me know and I can organise for that at the same time as you ordering the paper pumpkin. So as well as the stamp set, you also get a classic stamping spot. These are the smaller little ink spots. So I'm not 100% sure what the colour will be. I've got a feeling it's going to be one of the brown colours, maybe. Not sure. We'll have to wait and see. It doesn't actually tell you. A lot of the excitement of paper pumpkin is that nobody actually knows what's in them until we get them, and it builds excitement and it's fun, and it's lots of people make different things with the kit. So inside the kit, as well as the stamp set and the ink, you're going to get all of the materials that you need to create 12 cards. And there are 4 different designs, so you're going to get 3 cards, 4 different designs, okay? And you're going to get enough product to make all of those. All right. You're also going to get the adhesive and that needed, all of the adhesive that you need to create those 12 cards, and you're also going to get coordinated envelopes. So it's pretty good. It's £20 is this kit, which is awesome, plus shipping, but it's brilliant value for money because you're getting a stamp set in there as well. So I'll just quickly tell you that I do know the colours of the kit that coordinate with it are listed as Crumb Cake, Early Espresso, Old Olive, Petal Pink, Pool Party, Pretty Peacock, which is one of our new colours, Soft Suede and Very Vanilla. Now this has been created by Shelley, who founded Stampin' Up! Way back when, over 30 years ago, along with her sister. And then she ran it single-handed, and now it's the labour of love of her daughter Sarah. So Shelley says in her own words when she designed this kit, it has, and I quote, a touch of earthy and elegant spring with lots of layers and texture. So I interpret that as what I call a kind of a shabby vintage style. We were given one sample card on stage and it was absolutely stunning, right up my street, totally my cup of tea and my style. So there you go. So that is what I am doing as an alternate to my normal stamping selections. And my normal stamping selections will resume in June, and I will be advertising that in the last week of May. So keep your eyes out for that, because that will be a kit with brand new product from the brand new catalogue. But for the time being, we're focusing on Paper Pumpkin. So if you would like me to order this and get up in the middle of the night and order it with everybody else's, please let me know within the next few days. My email is amandacharlesworth08@gmail.com, or you can contact me on Facebook and I will order it for you, or get up early yourself on the 15th and order it online. It's going to be very popular, and we're going to have lots and lots of inspiration, and I want to see what people do with this. There is an instruction sheet inside that guides you towards making the cards. Everything's pre-done. There are like probably die cuts and things like that are pre-done and pre-cut, and you just pop them out and stamp them. The card bases are already done for you. Everything's done for you, so that you can just enjoy creating and take the stress out of picking and choosing what you're going to do, because there's a fantastic instruction sheet inside there. Or you can go with your own and create your own thing, which people often do. There's a huge following on Pinterest for Paper Pumpkin and alternative uses for the kits, and they are super popular. So I'm going to leave it there. If you would like me to order it for you, do get in touch in plenty of time. You can pay me by bank transfer, or PayPal, or whichever you prefer. So there you go. I'm super excited. I'm ordering one for myself, and I'm going to be creating with it on my YouTube, so you can all see it. It is available while stocks last. So if stocks last longer than the 15th, it will be available on the 16th, 17th, and for as long as it takes until it sells out. But I'm hazarding a wild guess that it's probably going to sell out pretty quick. You know, it's unique to us, it's exclusive, it's a one-off for now. Whether they'll bring it to us full-time in the future, I don't know, hope so. So there you go, Paper Pumpkin, it's on the way. Take care, and I'll see you again soon. Bye.